I just wanted to get a video of this puppy. Come here, boy. Well, I still can. Some piece of crap. I'm not gonna cuss. Put this dog out 4 days ago. Now I can't keep him. I think here comes 653. I'm not gonna try to chase him today. I am letting him hang around the yard, and I'm feeding him. I gotta keep an eye on him and my two girls. They haven't been spayed. And he's just a puppy. I don't think he's really quite all that sexually active. But he's a cute puppy. He really is. Yeah, cute puppy. A cute puppy. Look at them ears. There's my two. This is Stella. They don't seem to mind him though, Stella. Stella fusses at him. He gets too domineering. Back here you might go. Princess, get away from that road. I just don't understand how somebody can just put out a puppy like that. I mean, take the puppy in. They probably got him when he was a puppy. He was real cute. Yuck, yuck, yuck. And then when he got bigger, they don't want him anymore. So they betray him, and then they put him out. Just boggles the mind. I mean, you know, I've done some pretty boneheaded things when it comes down to puppies too. Think Roscoe. But I've never like put one out, just abandoned them in the middle of nowhere. And that's what somebody did to that puppy right there. It just absolutely breaks my heart for him. Because he's a sweet puppy. He is a sweet puppy. He's a sweet little puppy. A little skinny. Stella. See what Stella's just a bitch. I know she is. See, he'll paw you and want attention and all that. Hey, Della. Hey, B. Don't you dare. You're going to watch it. What? I know they're crazy. They're crazy. They crazy. They are. They just crazy. Alright. I hadn't even named him yet, and since I really can't keep him. But with his ears like that, I almost wants me to name him Roscoe, but I wished I could keep him. I'm going to try to post this on YouTube. Of course, that's nationwide, but maybe, just maybe, somebody will see him locally. I don't think I'll have anybody say, oh, this is my dog. The dog's been running around Kraus for almost a week, highly visible. Nobody's starting to pick him up. Ain't nobody looking for him. It's not fair, is it? Humanoids suck. All right.